Think about the last time you spent $20 without a second thought, maybe on lunch, coffee, or an impulse buy. Now ask yourself, did it really matter? Probably not. But what if that same $20 per week could grow into over $6,000 in monthly dividend income? In this guide, I'll show you how to make that happen, how to select the right dividend stocks and build a portfolio that turns small, consistent investments into a six-figure asset-generating passive income. Understanding dividends. Dividends are payments companies make to shareholders as a share of their profits, usually on a quarterly basis. If a company pays a $1 dividend per share and you own 100 shares, you'll receive $100, without selling any stock. Dividends help build passive income. For example, a $1,000 investment in a stock with a 5% dividend yield earns $50 annually. Over time, as companies increase payouts and you reinvest dividends, your income grows. However, not all dividend stocks are equal. Some consistently raise dividends, making them great for long-term growth, while others may reduce or suspend payments. That's why selecting the right stocks is key. Dividend strategies, drip versus non-drip. There are two main approaches. Non-drip, cash payouts. Dividends are paid in cash and can be used for expenses or reinvested manually. Drip, dividend reinvestment plan. Dividends automatically buy more shares, compounding returns over time. For example, with DRIP, a $1,000 investment in a stock with a 5% yield earns $50 in year one. Instead of taking cash, that $50 buys more shares, increasing next year's dividend payment. After 3 years, the investment grows beyond just collecting $50 annually. Selecting the right dividend stocks. To build a strong dividend portfolio, focus on black check mark, dividend yield, the percentage of the stock price paid as dividends. Black check mark, dividend growth, companies with a history of increasing payouts. Black check mark, company stability, strong financials that sustain payouts. Black check mark, diversification, avoid concentrating in one sector. Black check mark, growth potential, stocks that increase in value over time. Top 5 dividend stocks for passive income. These stocks balance dividend yield, growth potential, and stability. 1. CubeSmart, CUBE, a self-storage REIT with a 4.89% yield and 14.06% dividend growth over 10 years. Stable rental income makes it recession resistant. 2. Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, a diversified ETF with a 3.53% yield and 11.04% dividend growth, spreading risk across top dividend-paying U.S. stocks. 3. Kroger, KR, a grocery giant with a 2% yield and a 13.58% annual dividend growth rate, making it a reliable income stock. 4. Lowe's, LOW, a home improvement leader with a 1.87% yield and 17.99% dividend growth, outperforming most retail stocks. 5. NetEase, NTES, a major Chinese tech company with a 2.57% yield and 17.29% dividend growth, benefiting from the booming gaming industry. Portfolio breakdown and expected returns. This portfolio has an average dividend yield of 2.97% and a dividend growth rate of 14.79%. If you invest $20 per week. Pushpin, after 1 year $1,040 saved. Pushpin, after 5 years $6,732. Pushpin, after 10 years $19,697. Pushpin, after 20 years $182,420. Pushpin, after 30 years $675,642, paying $6,385 per month in dividends. Final thoughts. By consistently investing just $20 per week, compounding dividends, and selecting strong stocks, you can build a portfolio that generates financial freedom.